Hi there, gardening enthusiasts. It will transform your front yard into a stunning oasis. Well, you're in the right place because today we are diving into some fantastic home garden landscaping ideas that will elevate your outdoor space. But before we get started, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, and if you are excited as I am for some inspiring ideas, and hi, if you have not already, consider subscribing for more awesome content like this. Now let's jump right in. I can't wait to share these amazing front yard landscapes with you. From cozy cottage vibes to modern chic, you get something for everyone. Check out these breathtaking designs. Imagine stepping into your own piece of paradise every time you enter your home. These ideas are not just visually appealing but also practical for maintaining your garden with ease. And hey, if you are loving what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We have got plenty more inspiration coming on your way. Alright folks, who is ready for some game-changing tips to make your front yard truly shine? Let's dive in. Whether you are a seasoned gardener or just getting started, these tips will take your front yard into next level. If you find these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and remember to subscribe for even more green thumbs goodness. Now I want to hear from you. What's your favorite landscaping idea so far? Drop a comment below and let's get the conversation started. And of course, if you are enjoying the content, show some love by hitting that like button. Stay tuned for our next video. We will explore even more ways to transform your living space. Don't miss out. Subscribe so you never miss a beat. And thank you for joining me on this garden adventure. If you loved these ideas, thumbs up and remember to subscribe for a constant flow of inspiration. Until next time, happy gardening. See you in the next video.